Hello, everyone. Welcome to our first class of Social Media Boost of Getting Viral. The first class of this course is going to be the importance of visual content. Now, in this class, I'm going to show you a presentation of a couple of slides, which will help you to understand about the importance of it and how you should follow through to get to your social media requirements or the reach. So let's get into our points of knowing what is the importance of visual content in boosting your social media. So visual content plays a crucial role in boosting social media posts and increasing the likelihood of them going viral. Here are several reasons why visual content is very important. So the first one is about increased engagement. Posts with images or videos tend to receive more likes, comments, and shares compared to text-only posts. Visuals capture attention and encourage users to interact with the content. Then it's about the better retention. People remember visual information better than text. Visuals can help reinforce the message and make it more memorable, increasing the chances of the content being shared. Then it's about faster information processing. The human brain processes images much faster than text. Visual content can quickly convey complex information, making it easier for users to understand and engage with the post. Emotional connection. Visuals can evoke emotions more effectively than text. Emotions play a significant role in decision making and sharing behavior on social media. Compelling visuals can create a strong emotional impact, encouraging users to share the content. Then it's about brand identity. Consistent use of visual elements like colors, logos, and styles can help reinforce brand identity. This makes the content easily recognizable and helps build brand loyalty. Now, there are a couple of more, which is going to start off with storytelling. Visual content can tell a story more effectively than text alone. Storytelling is a powerful tool for engaging audiences and encouraging them to share the content. Reach and visibility. Social media algorithms often favor visual content. Posts with images or videos are more likely to appear in users' feeds, increasing the reach and visibility of the content. Versatility. Content can be repurposed across multiple platforms, adapting to different formats and audience preferences. This increases the chance of reaching a wider audience. Encourages user-generated content. Visual content can inspire users to create and share their own content, further increasing engagement and reach. Contests, challenges, and hashtags can be encouraged or can encourage users to participate and share their creation. Data-driven insights. Visual content often provides more measurable engagement metrics, allowing for better analysis and optimization of social media strategies. So, by incorporating high quality images, videos, infographics, and other visual elements, social media posts can capture attention, communicate messages effectively, and increase the likelihood of going viral. Now, I'm going to open up one of the browser on my device and show you on one social media platform of how visual content is very important. As you can see on my screen that I have opened up Instagram, okay? So we also have an account which is opened up, which is Pixels. So you can see something like couple of these, posts. So if I click on this one, you can basically see that even though we have the writing or the text over here, which is set underwater photography. If they did not post anything except, the photo, or let's say except the text, it would look like really blank. But this photo was used with the text so that it can also visualize something, okay, which also attracts the user. So something like this, okay? So what you basically have to do is you have to mix up. You have to put a bit of text. You also have to use a bit of visual content, which is going to help the users to attract. Okay, so you will just basically get more reach like easier if you have visual contents attached to whatever you post or however you're trying to get viral. Okay. So hope you understood everything about this class on how you'll be able to understand about the importance of visual content in getting viral. If you have any question, feel free to ask me anytime. I'm always there to help you out. So without any further ado, let's move on to our next class of social media boost.